Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Mazda 3 key fob. This simple process can save you a trip to the dealership and is something you can easily do at home. We'll cover everything from opening the fob to inserting the new battery, ensuring your key is fully functional again. Let's get started with the necessary tools. First, locate the small slot on the side of your key fob. This is usually near the key ring attachment. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to force it, as the plastic can be delicate. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling great. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Once open, you will see the old CR 2032 battery. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Carefully pry out the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely shut.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.